Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to use this. It is like an air refreshener, just for the aircon. Clean all the air vents and, kill the bacteria and destroy all the odors up to 30 days. So today I'll show you how to use that. So first, what you need to do is clean the car. Well, I mean clean. You don't need to vacuum it, but take all the dirty, stinky rags or whatever else you got in the boot. Actually, this can stay. Start the car up first. There you go. Turn this off. What you need to do is put the aircon on full blast, on the coldest air possible, full blast, and on the recircle, yeah? So that the air stays within the car, that the car doesn't draw air from outside. Open all the vents, make sure they are all open. Yeah, all open, all blowing. So this is all on as much as I can, full blast. Now open the cap, throw it away, and firmly press the trigger. Make sure the windows are closed, everything is closed. Press this and leave it. Close the car. Let this thing spray in there until we will finish. Leave it like this for around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Woo! Now turn the aircon off and still leave it for like 2 minutes for the cold air to just blast out. You can take this out and you can throw this away. You don't need that anymore. But what you need to remember is that you now have to open the car and wind it inside, because you can't drive, you can't breathe this. This is, at the end of the day, a chemical. So just open the car, let it wind, let the fresh air now go in and sort of mix with this stuff, and that's it. I'll give you, like, let's say 20 minutes for the wind to sort of go through the car, and that's it. Happy days. Thank you for watching. See you next time.